Alright, welcome back to BQ Garage. We've got a bit of a different episode today. We've got my son's VRX 380 Mitsubishi. We're about to polish the headlights to bring them up like brand new again. They're a little bit average. There's a bit of sun damage, a bit of dullness on them, so I've got some tape. I'm going to tape up around the outside. I'm going to do a bit of 1,000 grit over the top, probably a 1,500 grit as well. We'll see how that goes. I might have to do a 400 grit wet sand over the top, and then finish it off with about a 1,500 grit. I'm going to apply a bit of a cutting compound, cut them up, and then I'm going to apply some wax. I could do some clear coat over the top, but this is just for now. It'll be fine until we redo them again. I'll probably have to do the clear coat a bit later on. So any tips you might have, please comment below, and yeah, we'll see how they turn out. It should be a little quick fix for now. Yeah, they're pretty average, so let's see how they come up. Let's get into it. Okay, I've got some 400 grit. And you'll probably see that there's some light scratches in this, so I'm going to go over with 1,000 grit and just see how it comes up. Should get rid of most of those scratches. I'm going to go the opposite way. It's always important to tape up around the outside here, because if you're sanding away, you can accidentally get the body panels. You don't want to be sanding back the body panels at all. So you can see I've got a little bit exposed here, so I have to keep an eye on that. So I'll probably go back the opposite direction, up and down, and just cross hatch it. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I'm going to run some of this G3 Advanced Liquid Compound. That will give it a bit of a cut. I'm going to use a medium grade cutting polisher pad. So yeah, the Tool Pro unit here. So let's see how that turns out. Overall, it's come up pretty good. There's some very light scratches here, so I might continue cutting it with the 1,500 grit for a little bit, and then run the cutting compound back over it and see what it turns out like. So because these are scratches going this way, I'll go up and down. See how that turns out. Well, that's come out pretty good, I think, so pretty happy with the results with that. I'll apply some wax over the top. Got some good wax there, and then we'll see how it goes. I'll do the other one. Check out the other side compared to the side I've just finished. Pretty much looks like brand new, doesn't it? So yeah, comment below, let me know what you think, and yeah, like, subscribe and share, please. Really appreciate it. So it's very cheap fix if you've got these plastic headlights. Yeah, until next time, cheers, thanks for watching, appreciate it, see yous.